This is the voice of Active Simplified. You are welcome to Kaito Yap. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through an overview. Uh, I know I've done video before, but I'll be showing you an overview about this particular project. All right. So if you are watching this video, the only video you need to watch is on how to register, and that's all that you need. But aside that one, with this particular video, you'll be able to get all the basic information you need in order to qualify for your yaps. All right, so I broke this video into 5 sections. The first one is understanding the algorithm behind Kaito Yapping. The second one is to understand what to yap and the minimum project you should be yapping based on your X account, and also the minimum and maximum people you should follow on X in order to get mind shares and also your yap points. All right. So the third section of the video will be how to yap. So we'll be using Chat GTP. If you do not have Chat GTP, please try to download from App Store or Play Store. That's basically the tool that we are going to be using to get light, to get information on how to redefine our original project. All right, our original post. Then the fourth one will be how to respond to yappers. All right. One thing you must understand about this farming project is that it is a win-win. All right. So it's either you post or you respond to someone's post, you are still going to earn a point from that. All right. Then the fifth part is on how to share your link in our WhatsApp group. All right, so we have already made a WhatsApp group available, which we are going to disclose very soon. All right, I believe if you are watching this video, I might have edited it and I have dropped the WhatsApp link in the description of this video. All you just have to do, join and follow the rules and regulation in the WhatsApp group in order to maximize your share. It's a large community. All right, my friend John Precious actually collaborated with Web3 Simplified, so we are unifying that particular group in order to have the maximum of at least more than 500 active members in this Kaito project. All right, and that is that for that. But first, let us start with understanding the algorithm behind Kaito Yapping. All right, so I made a screenshot. This is it. All right, he said ring farm are done. Right, so Kaito sees everything, removing question mark T and X from your tweet link won't save you. So if you are doing all this, trying to manipulate your X account in order to farm the project, all right, like a robotic farming, Kaito actually tracks everything. All right, so Kaito isn't tracking URL. So this is what you must understand. They are not tracking your URL. What they are actually tracking is your behavior. All right, so the way, for example, if 10 people always like your post, or 100 people always like your post, comment on your post, that's already a red flag. All right, so they are going to flag it. Or you post a particular time. Remember, if you must deal with people, it simply means you are going to give them a certain time when they must be online in order to interact to your WhatsApp. All right, to your WhatsApp link. When you are doing that, it's already forming a bad behavioral pattern to the algorithm. So they are going to flag your account, or they will just shadow ban you, and you won't have any reward for that particular link. All right. So I've already explained. Imagine that 10 people, 100 people are just liking, commenting. It's already a flag, all right? Sudden spark from engagement bugs, all right? That one, your account is already flagged already. No engagement outside your ring, that's flag already. If your tweet can't survive without the ring, it is ghosted, all right? Period. So you are farming points. You say, okay, you are not farming points anymore, you are farming nothing. So these are some of the areas that we must consider in order not to get our account flagged. All right, so I believe with this simple explanation, you'll be able to understand what we'll be doing. And also, we have already make a way in order to bypass that particular behavioral pattern algorithm which Kaito use in tracking our X account. So you can see some of the rules in our group. So these are times that we'll be making posts, and what we'll be doing is that we'll be changing the time. We'll be changing the time. This was our default timing before, but now based on the information we just received, now we are going to be we'll always shuffle the time, always shuffle the time. All right, so just make sure you are in the WhatsApp group so that whenever the new time is will be communicated, you'll be among those who will be notified, so that you can also make your post available before time. So once we give a time, make sure 30 minutes before that time you've already made your post available already. All right, so that once the group is open, all you just have to do is to follow the rule, share the admins, then you post your own, and people will start interacting with your own. That's the only way we'll be able to qualify for this project. It's a win-win, all right. And also in the WhatsApp group, you'll be able to share your X account in order to have a follow. So whoever follow you, you also follow them. And we have rules for that. If they follow you and the person indicated that he has followed you and you didn't respond, you are going to be kicked out from the group ASAP. Right? Now, let's come to my second section the of today's video, which is what to yap. All right, so we'll be yapping um Sisic, which is this one. We'll be farming this one, and also we'll be farming Infinis. All right, so these are the two projects we'll be farming, and if anyone is coming up later, you will be informed uh on how to do that, right? So with the understanding you have on this, it simply means you will be able to do any other one we pick. All right, so we don't just pick, we pick based on a certain amount of people that they are going to reward, because each project here has certain amount of people that they are going to reward, all right, at the end. So we don't just pick projects at random. And also, like I said, on the third section is how to yap. All right, so before I go to how to yap, remember I told us that any project you are doing, this is the leaderboard. All right, this for the Infinis, this is the leaderboard. Just go down, you will see the top 100 people. So all you just have to do is just go ahead and follow them, and this is how you follow. You click on follow number one, click on number two, then you click on their profile picture here, so you click on it, then you see the account, you just go ahead and follow, and also turn on the notification bell. Just click all, so that whenever they post, you'll be able to see their post as well. All right, then you go back, and then you come back to number three. All right, so let me just follow like three, so that you will be sure that you know what I'm saying. So you click on their profile, you follow them, and you turn on the all post. All right, so that whenever they post, you will be notified. Let me go back again, then let me follow number four, person. Then you click on his picture, then you follow him, and you also turn on the notification bell. All right, so I believe you'll be able to do the rest. So I don't want the video to be that lengthy, so I'm going um to go straight to our third point, which is how to yap. Okay, how to yap. So like I said, we are using what is it called, chat GTP to for our smart post and also our smart response. So let's go straight to how to yap. So remember I said we are yapping Infinite and also this particular project Sisic. All right, so let me quickly show you how to yap on Infinite. All right, so just go ahead and open your chat GTP. All right, so this is the prompt I actually released. All right, so I'll paste this prompt on the description of the video. All right, so this is the prompt I gave, and this is the post that was generated. All right, mind you, you are not going to make these post available on X. All right, you are not going to post it, just copy it into your what is it called, into your notepad, and just edit. All right, so all you have to do, just what we are doing is just to get information on how to go about making our post available, and this is a post generated to us, so you can just go ahead and tweak it, right, so that it become more natural. All right, so I just recreated my own post. I didn't copy anything from here. I only looked here and I got information to create my own. All right, you can see I'm leveling up on Infinite, a mind-blowing project on Kaito ecosystem. It redefines the flow of value in Web3 through Yaps earning. Hunters, builder, degen, and creators, this is your sure signal. Earn more now on Infinix on Kaito. You can see how natural mine look like. All right, so this is how you create your post. We use ChatGPT to get inspiration. Then we use what is it called? We use so you use your normal head, you use your head to create a mind-blowing, just natural post. All right, so that's all we are basically doing in the project. And if you want to generate another one, you can just go and say generate another. All right, so generate another, and it will give you another one, so you can just go ahead, copy again, and just use your head to redefine. So that's simple. All right, so and also you can even rename this to smart post. All right, so that you can only always come here and just say generate, and it will just generate you another post, all right, in regards to that particular project. So that's just how it works. All you just have to do is just to rename the project from this to that, and that's it. I believe that's clear. All right, so this is how you basically generate your post. So let me go ahead and post that to my X account. So I'll just go ahead and copy my natural one and just go to my X account. All right, let's go to my X account and just make that post available. All right, now I've made my post available. Let me post that. All right, so you can see my natural post is now available, and I can even, all right, so before I do that, let me make sure that this is what I ought to have done. Just go ahead and do this. All right, do this. So while you said Infinix, you can just hashtag Infinity. Okay, Infinity underscore labs. All right, you can see their project. So just go ahead and tag that and just post. All right, so this is it. I can just go ahead and follow them. So make sure you are following the project and turn on the bell. All right, so that's that. And I will also urge you to follow some of the people they are actually following, or some of the people that are actually following them, or I've already taught you that on the dashboard. All right, I believe all these are the people that are actually farming the project. All right, all these are people that are actually farming the project. So whoever you follow, it simply means you are on the right track. All right, so you can just follow few of the member, and you will observe that when you even try to follow from the dashboard, some of them you might have already followed them. All right, and make sure you turn on notification bell so that when they post, you can see what they are actually posting. All right, so these are just few tweaks. Now we now know how to post, and this is how you now let me see the second section, the last section. Are we on the last section or on the fourth section? Let me see. Okay, we are on the third section. We are moving straight uh to the last section, which is the first section rather, before we conclude on how to post. All right, so this is how you respond to people in this project. All right, so imagine if someone share his or her post in regarding to a particular project that you are doing. So let me try to look for someone who is actually yapping this project as well, if they make any post available already. Let me check. All right, All right, I can't find any, so let me just be certain. Let me use my, for example, as I post now, and you have to respond to me. This is how you respond. You just go ahead and copy this. All right, you just copy my post. All right, you copy my post and you go straight to your chat GTP. You open a new tab. All right, open a new tab and just say how to respond, how to how to respond to this Kaito Yapper. All right, you just Yapper. That that will make him follow, react and follow me, like and follow me on X. All right, so you now put the post the person posted and you just enclose it on a quote. That's emphasis. All right, now they will give you a respond. You can see the respond they gave you. All right, so this is the response. Okay, so you just go ahead and copy the response, copy the response. All right, so you just copy the response and you can just go ahead and reply, or you can also do little edit on it. You are speaking fact. Okay, all right, so you can just go ahead, make sure when you see anything like this on it, remove it and just put comma. Then I believe that's the only thing you do, and if you don't like, you can remove all these. And also hashtag, you can remove hashtag and just use only one hashtag, which is just the Infinix, and it's not all the time, so you can choose to use hashtag or not, because it will automatically carry the hashtag on the default post. So when you do this, based on the X account you are using for tweeting, you will also be rewarded for response and also for your own post. So you will be rewarded for that. All right, I believe all these are clear. We started with understanding the algorithm behind Kaito Yapping, which is the behavioral pattern. So that's what we are doing now. So we are trying to change the behavior on how we post, how we share things online, so that they will all remain natural, so that our account will not be flagged or will not be shadow banned. All right. Then I talked about the yapping. All right, what to do. The project to yap, and I told us we'll be yapping Infinix and also SciSeek. All right, SciSeek. So these are the two projects we'll be yapping for now, SciSeek and Infinix. Then I taught you on how to yap. All right, we're using ChatGTP. You've done that already, and also I taught you on how to respond to Yap, which I just did now, how to respond. So you can just rename this one to smart response. Smart response. So you always respond the same pattern I use in responding to this. All right. So you can see it here. How to respond to this. Okay. So you can see that's the key. The prompt are actually added to the post, and that's all you need. All right. Then the last point is how to share your link on our WhatsApp group. All right. So if this is your X page, for example, and you want to do follow for follow, this is how you go about. You just go ahead and you copy your link. That's share. So once you are sharing, this is what you share. All right. So let me quickly put space here, paste the link. So from this is HTTPS to your username. Remove every other thing behind it. All right. This is my username. It ends here. So remove every other shit behind it. So let it be pure like this. All right. So and for the post, so this is what you are going to post in the Twitter, in the WhatsApp group, where other people will follow you on X account, and you make sure you follow others. That's the rule. All right. For follow. That's the rule for the posting. Why for the sharing? If this is your link, click on share. All right, go ahead, click share, copy the link. So this is what you'll be sharing in the group. So from this point, you can see from this point, that's after status slash the ID, then you remove every other thing. Remove every other thing. You can see that question mark T is the tracking ID which Twitter use to track your post, whether you are doing a robotic work, whether you share the link to people to just click directly, because you are not supposed to get this link directly. Right, what you're supposed to get is this. So this is what you're supposed to get, 31. All right, so this is the original link. All right, if I go ahead and copy this link now and paste it on my browser, you see that it's going to open that particular post. All right, so let me just paste it on my browser. All right, just hold on. All right, as you can see, it just went straight to that particular post. All right, so that's it. Let me quickly recap before I call it a day. I already done all this. For the follow, remember just your username. Any other thing behind your username, from the question mark behind your username, clear them out. Then for the post, after your status slash your ID, anything behind the ID, delete them. That's underscore T, just delete on the question mark T, delete everything to the end. So this is how you can be able to be free from X banning and also Kaito AI shadow banding or blocking. So this is how you can farm Kaito AI naturally. All right, I believe you have value from this video, and if you do, please do well to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And also make sure you join our WhatsApp community. In the description of this video, I'm going to drop everything that you need. Please make sure you check the description of the video. The first video will be on how to register. My registration link is there, so you just go ahead and register and know how to get your registration link. I also taught it in that video, very brief, so just go ahead, watch. Then after that, come back and get the full information you need on this particular one. Make sure you join the WhatsApp group immediately, because we have already started working. All right, so that's that for that. All right, see you in our next video. In regards to any other project I will be doing, all announcements will be done in the WhatsApp community. All right, thank you.